Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. So in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. I'm going to head over to my Play Store right here. Then I'll get into your Play Store. Click on search right here from the bottom. Next thing you need to do is to click on search apps and games. What you need to do right here is to type in MTN. Then hit on this first result right here, MTN app. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is so it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on my MTN NG. Let's take you right here. So at the time of making this video, 10 million plus are download and use this particular app. Next thing you want to do is to click on install right here. After a successful installation, click on open. Then click on allow. Access exclusive in-app data and airtime over on the MTN My Nigeria mobile app. Simply click on let's get started. Here you have three options to sign into the app. You can use your phone number, your Google accounts, or sign up with your Apple ID. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use my phone number right here to sign in. Then what you need to do next is to click on here and enter your MTN number. Having entered your MTN number, click on login. Then you have the OTP code right here. So the OTP is 597743. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you scroll down right here, read the terms of service right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on I agree. Enter your nickname right here. Then click on continue. Then enter your email address. Then click on continue. Click on next. Click on next. I will do this later. Click on that. Then click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. The beneficiary, click on next. It's as simple as that. So you have successfully installed your MTN app. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on more right here from the bottom right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on rewards. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on my referrals. Then it's going to take you right here. Invite your friends and earn. What you need to do is to click on app referral right here. The next thing you want to do here is to make sure you enter the friend MTN line right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, then click on here, to choose the option. So store preferences or DTT. So I'm putting it store preferences. Next thing you need to do, so having set up everything, next thing you need to do is to click on refer now.